Hello, it's Nicole S. from the South Fayette and Bridgeville Libraries. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a great book that I found on Storyline Online. It's called When a Dragon Moves In. And it's a great story about the beach because it's almost summertime. So, I'll show you how you need to get on Storyline Online to see the story When a Dragon Moves In. So I've typed in Storyline Online and I come up with all these great picture books. The book I want you to read is in the second row, When a Dragon Moves In. It's written by Jodi Moore and illustrated by Howard McWilliam. When you click on it, you're going to see the guy who is going to read the story to you. You might have to change your player to YouTube like I did. His name is Mark Duplass. He's going to read the great story about a little boy at the beach using his imagination with a dragon. And then come back and we'll do sand making. Enjoy! Wasn't that a great story? I'm so happy summer is here. So now we're in my kitchen and we're going to make some fake sand. Some people call it moon sand or moon dough or even cloud dough. And we're in my kitchen, so you could also make it outside on your patio. You only need a few things. You need a large bowl to mix it in. You need 1 measuring cup. You need flour. And you need oil. That's it. You could use your hands to mix it or a spoon. So to make this sand, you need 8 cups of flour. After you put all 8 cups in, you're going to make a little hole in the middle, like a well. And you're going to put 1 cup of oil in, vegetable oil I have, before you stir it up. So let's do that now and take a look when we're all done. Well, that was so cool. So it was very, very easy. It wasn't messy. It wasn't sticky. And after I mixed it in my bowl, first I used my spoon, then I used my fingers. I put it into this baking sheet so that I can do some playing. You can get out a car and you can make tracks with it. Or, watch this, you could even mold it into, I'm going to make a sandman. Here's his bottom, and I'm going to make the middle. This is really, really neat. So, it might be nice to put it in a taller box, and it would be great to play with outside. I wouldn't do it on a carpeted space, but it is really neat. It's like real sand. So I hope you try it, and I hope you send me a picture of it. Remember, my email at the library is sites, SEITZ, N, @einetwork.net.